Let's have a real conversation about hustle culture. We are told that if we just work harder, grind longer, and answer every email, we'll win. But that's not reality. You cannot out hustle a missed call at 2 a.m. You cannot outwork a competitor's team that picks up on the first ring. I'm Deb Spence from Fiercepreneur. I work with business owners who are tired of leaving money on the table because they or their staff are simply too busy to answer the phone. The solution isn't hiring more people you can't afford. The solution is AI, specifically a voice AI agent that I named Dakota. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how she works for inbound, outbound, and chat, and why she is the secret weapon your business needs right now. Now, let's start with the biggest leak in your business, inbound calls. Did you know that 60% of customers will hang up immediately if they get a voicemail? I'm one of them. They don't leave a message, they call your competitor. If your front desk is overwhelmed, or if you're a solo operator on a job site, that ringing phone is just the sound of lost revenue. This is where Dakota steps in. Dakota is an AI voice agent that answers calls 24/7. She doesn't sound like a robot from the 90s. Dakota integrates with your CRM. She can schedule appointments directly on your calendar, answer complex FAQs about your pricing, and handle multiple calls at once. She never puts anyone on hold, and she never takes a sick day. If you're missing more than 15% of your calls, you don't need a receptionist. You need Coda. Now, let's talk about the thing every sales team hates: cold calling and lead reactivation. Be honest with me. Come on, it's Deb. How many leads are sitting in your database right now that haven't been touched in 3 months? 500? 1,000? 3,000? 10,000? You paid for those leads, but calling them takes time and energy that your team just doesn't have. This is the second way you can use Dakota. She's an outbound powerhouse. You can upload a list of 1,000 dormant leads, and Dakota can call them all in a single afternoon. Well, not in a single afternoon. I mean, the max is 100 calls per day, but she can get through that call, or she can get through that 1,000 leads in 10 days. She qualifies the lead, checks their interest, and then only then does she pass the warm lead to your human sales team. Your team stops cold calling and starts closing a deal. That's how you scale. Finally, let's talk about the customer who doesn't want to talk on the phone. The Gen Zers, they're very interesting set of young people. They do not use the phone to talk on. They are on your website at midnight, or they're texting your business line while they're at work. If your website just has a contact us form, you are losing that customer. In 2025, speed is the only currency that matters. Speed to lead, you gotta be fast. Dakota isn't just a voice, she lives in your chat widget and SMS too. When someone asks a question on your site, Dakota replies instantly. You capture their name, their number, and their intent. She can text back and forth to nurture that lead until they are ready to buy. So while you are sleeping, Dakota's working. You can wake up to a calendar full of booked appointments, not an inbox full of questions. So here's the deal, good people. As a fiercepreneur, your job is to be the visionary, not the receptionist. You need to leverage technology to buy back your time. Dakota isn't about replacing humans, it's about unleashing them. It allows your human staff to focus on high-level relationships while Dakota handles the volume. If you are ready to stop missing calls, wake up your dead leads, and install a 24/7 sales agent in your business, we need to talk. I'm offering a demo to show you exactly how Dakota sounds and how she fits into your specific industry. Click the link in the description or comment Dakota below, and let's get your business automated.